Hello friends, welcome back to Smartphone World. In this video, we are going to unbox the hottest budget flagship smartphone, the Oneplus 7, and I will share my initial impressions about the device. Once you pop open the box, you will be greeted with paperwork and a silicone cover which provides solid protection to the device. Underneath the paperwork, you will find the star of the show, the Oneplus 7, which looks stunning in my opinion. So here's the first look at the device. We have the mirror grey variant with us. Let me just keep the device aside and see what else we get in the box. Digging deep into the box, we get the letter from Oneplus CEO and a warp charging cable and 20W warp charger. If you see, there is one small thing missing in the box, the dongle. Most of the Oneplus community is annoyed by the removal of headphone jack. At least Oneplus should have the basic courtesy to provide the dongle in the box. One more small thing I noticed is there is a small air bubble on the left corner of the device. It may happen in 1 out of 10 lakh devices, but being a premium smartphone manufacturer, I wish OnePlus should avoid these mistakes. If you look at the device, at first instant it looks more similar to the OnePlus 6T. It has the same design language with water drop notch and dual rear cameras. At the front you get 6.4-inch optic AMOLED display. In OnePlus 7 you don't get fancy stuff like 90Hz display or a QHD display, but I feel this display is great for multimedia experience. At the top of the teardrop notch you get a 16MP selfie camera, and there is a huge cutout for stereo speakers. At the rear there is a huge camera bump which packs dual rear cameras. The primary sensor is a 48MP Sony IMX586 which has optical image stabilization. Coming to the secondary camera, I wish OnePlus had provided a telephoto lens or a wide angle lens, but OnePlus went with a 5MP depth sensor. The OnePlus 7 is also a fingerprint magnet. It gets easily attracted to fingerprints, so I suggest you to keep a cloth to clean the device. To the left you have dual SIM card slot and volume rocker. At the top of the device you have secondary noise cancelling microphone. To the right we have iconic OnePlus alert slider and power button. At the bottom of the device you get speaker grill, microphone and USB Type-C port. The first thing I noticed with OnePlus 7 is how comfortable the device feels. I went to OnePlus Experience Store to see how OnePlus 7 Pro feels. The device feels quite bulky and it's not suitable for single-handed usage. With OnePlus 7, I feel the device is perfect for single-handed usage, and I feel smartphone manufacturers should stick with display sizes up to 6.4-inch. Increasing the display sizes more and more makes the device quite uncomfortable to use. OnePlus 7 also supports in-display fingerprint scanner, which feels quite snappy and improved compared to OnePlus 6T. In my short usage with the device, I feel OnePlus 7 is the fastest Android phone ever made. The phone offers fluid performance and it can handle all the tasks you throw at it with ease. The device runs Android 9 Pie with Oxygen OS on top. The Oxygen OS comes with a lot of essential features like the dark theme, Zen mode, which we'll talk about in our OnePlus tips and tricks videos which will be coming soon in our channel. I have the 6GB RAM and 128GB storage option. Out of 128GB you get around 110GB for usage. Coming to the initial camera performance, I felt quite positive about the device. I would say don't set your hopes high. Let's say if Galaxy S10 and iPhone XS Max offers A+ camera performance, I would say OnePlus will offer A-grade camera performance. Even in low light the camera performs quite well, but I would say there are a lot of room for improvement. I will talk about camera performance and battery life in the detailed review which will be landing in our channel by the end of this week. If you are not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe so that you won't miss any of our OnePlus 7 coverage. If you have any particular questions regarding OnePlus 7, or if you want any specific videos like gaming test or any other specific videos regarding OnePlus 7, please do comment below. I will try to make the video as soon as possible. As always, thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video and you guys have a great day.